Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying essentials. Confirm your ISP plan speed and any caps so you know the target. Plug a laptop directly into the modem or router with Ethernet and run a speed test to establish a baseline. Once done, reboot the modem and router power cycle for 30 seconds because cached errors often cause slowdowns. Make sure background apps are closed and other devices are off to isolate the connection. This gives you a clean starting measurement. Now diagnose where the bottleneck lies. Scan your network for heavy users like cloud sync, updates, or streaming and pause them. Next, access the router to check quality of service settings, change crowded Wi-Fi channels, and install any firmware updates to improve stability. Use traceroute and ping tests to find latency or packet loss along the route, and test multiple devices to determine whether the problem is one device versus the whole network. These steps apply fixes based on your findings. Switch congested devices to 5 GHz, reposition or elevate the router, enable Co-S to prioritize work traffic, and consider upgrading old routers or modem if they lack modern standards. Once configured, remeasure speeds and compare to your baseline. If problems persist, contact your ISP and provide speed test results, traceroute logs, and timestamps so they can investigate. If things still fail, try a known good device and an alternate modem or router to isolate equipment faults before escalating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.